Hello friends, Maddie here, and see I have rigged this guy. See I have rigged this guy. This is the IK handle. This is the IK handle and the green one is FK handle. This is the FK handle and this is IK handle. Like this you can animate this guy what whichever pose you like. You can take time and you can see the video of the position. You can pause the video and then you can pose the character in that position and you can add the frame. This is the old school way of doing animation. The new way is motion capture. Motion capture is also nice, easy way to animate, but I don't have money to buy that. But this is not that is not free. So I can only do image animation. You can pause the image, you can pose the character, place the keys and animate the guy. Like this, we can animate the character. See here I want to weight painting some. Here I want to weight paint some. But this is all I can animate this guy. I can do like this only little bit only. If you weight paint properly, I have weight painted this guy. If you weight paint properly, it will be a very cool thing to animate this guy. But this also I can animate. From this also I can animate. But there is some missing weight paintings. You know, I have only weight painted the arms and legs and torso. But some parts see here, some parts is missing. See white position. Some some parts are missing from weight painting. If you want to resist the position, you can go select all pose, and this way you can resist the position of the character. You can do easily walking animation like this. If you want to do the high animation, you can easily do the high animation. If you want to move the elbow, you can also move the elbow in whichever direction you want. Just add the keyframes and you can ready to animate your guy. And if you want to receive the position, select all. There we go. So this is I just want to tell I model this character in my earlier videos. You can see my videos. Rigging is also fun part and animation is also fun part. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.